Gonna get into the Mother's Ceramic car wash and wax, California Gold. I do have a ceramic coating on the Corvette, but it's been a few years, so it's definitely on its last legs, but this should be interesting to see how this works. Gonna load it into the foam cannon and then give it a wash here with the old 2-bucket method. Not a pro car washer by any means, but I love to try this stuff and see just how it works, and let's see what's what here. So it spread pretty well. Use the mitt. It's that type of mitt that's apparently supposed to work well with your ceramic coating, but I don't know. Again, I think this ceramic coating, if you look at that video we did years ago, it's definitely on its last legs. But I usually wrap up my car washes with like one of the water blades, and then just a nice, you know, high absorbent towel, not really like a chamois, but something like that. And we'll see how this looks at the finished product. But I mean, so far it foamed up nice. It did a good job. I don't know, I mean, it's really just a car wash, but again, it's for Mother's there, so we'll see how it finished product looks here. All right, and there's the finished product. Not too bad. I mean, obviously we got a couple water runs here and stuff, but I mean, this type of car, when you're not driving it in the winter, you're not subjecting it to crazy dirt. I mean, this is the first wash of the year for the Corvette, so it's just been really like a dusting, and then pretty much what I had on it from before I put it away. I didn't think I got to wash it last year, but I mean, overall, it's a nice product for Mother. So I'll link that below. Very easy to use. I will say the water blading was a lot smoother than it's ever been, if that's something. I don't know, but check them out. I like the smell a lot. Based on smell alone, you should buy it. So check them out from Mother's, and we do have a little bit more coming from them here. Stuff that's a little easier to judge, but for the most part, I think that's some pretty good stuff right there. A couple water spots still, but I usually end up doing a ceramic detailer or something afterwards anyways, just to finalize the whole process. So thanks for watching. We'll see you next time here at Rubber City Motoring.